Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electric scrub brush. This is a really neat scrub brush because there's multiple sizes you can actually put this in. And with the 5,000 milliamp hour battery, it charges within an hour and a half, and you can run it up to 140 minutes. Here are your extender handles. You've got your main power thing right here, and it comes with 8 different brush heads, all packaged right here. I will get these all out. We'll bring you in here close, and then we're gonna go test this thing, see how it works. So here are all the different brush heads. Got squishy sponge. You've got more of like a dusting one. Several sizes here. Scour pad. And here is the brush that you attach all of these onto. It just simply latches on right there and then Velcros off. And then you have 3 different styles of this kind of brush as well for different size surfaces. You also get this tab right here. There's actually a hanging tab. You can put this onto the wall. It's just a tape that you can then stick on the wall. This slides in there, and then you can hang your bar up on the wall and be able to easily access it. So to put this all together, all you've got to do is just start sliding these pieces in. You've got your main piece, and then you just simply screw this part in. So you've got your variety of sizes here. This is 12 inches here, and then it goes from 45 inches to 49, all the way up to 54 inches. Just by simply moving here, you've got your on and your off, so it'll lock, or you open it up, and then you can extend it out like that. And then you just lock it back in place, and then that will stay long. And then that is just all adjustable as far as how far you want that in. You can make that stop at any point. We're just gonna keep it short. And then you have your control features on here. You just turn it on. It shows you your battery life on there, which I love because a lot of these don't show the battery life and you don't really know how much time you have left. Now you do have 3 different speeds. You have a high, medium, and low speed that you control through here. And then you have your power button, and there is your USB charger, which comes with a nice cord that you can easily plug it in as well. So let's go out and put this thing to the test. I'm gonna use this to clean out my kitchen sink, which you can see is pretty dirty all around. I've sprayed some soap already in there, so it had some time to sit. And we're gonna use this to get it all cleaned up, but this is pretty bad. We're gonna see how this scrubs it up and cleans it up. For me, a lot easier than using my arm to be able to do it. If this can move around real quick, then we'll be able to get it. I'm gonna start out with this kind of angled one so I can get into the sides. And you just simply snap that on there and it's ready to go. And then we're gonna turn it on. Once you select your speed, then you hit the on button again and you're ready to go. I've now finished scrubbing it up. I'm just gonna rinse it out and we will see how it did. That looks really good. My sink looks like new. It's so clean. It got all those hard to reach spots, and I didn't have to sit there and scrub because it did all the scrubbing for me. It did a fantastic job. It held the battery with that little bit of work. We were down to about 58%. So, I mean, that held up pretty good. All in all, it's a pretty nice little electric scrubber.